I'm Sherlyn Garcia Rabuya, 45 years old, married with 3 sons, 27, 26, and 23 years old. I have 7 siblings, 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm high school graduate. In my previous employer, I'll take care of kids, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, marketing, cooking, like simple Chinese food, steamed chicken, steamed pork ribs, steamed minced pork, steamed fish, fried veggie. I can cook also simple Western foods like pasta, carbonara, and spaghetti. I can cook also soup like papaya soup, winter melon soup, carrot soup, lotus root, and many more soup. I'm diligent, hardworking, obedient, and responsible. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.